Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's been a while since my last video here on my channel and yun nga, naisipan ko ulit mag-post ng mga videos just to share my experience and just to answer all your questions and inquiries. So right now, uh, I've already been in 5 contracts. Yeah, just remember, one contract as a messman and then the rest is on a cruise ship. So bali next month, today is May, next month is June at sasampa na naman ako ulit sa cruise ship. So if there's any questions that you like to raise about how to apply, how to start working in a cruise ship, especially sa department ko, working in a bar, feel free to drop your questions and I'll be happy to answer all of your comments. So sa mga succeeding days, I'll try to upload more videos educating other people which are aspiring seafarer na gustong mag-work sa cruise ship. And also, if you want to be a messman, of course, I still have the knowledge to share about how to start, what's your experience, up until makasampa kayo. So, yun lang muna guys. So, I'm thankful to be back and see you. Ingat. Have a good day.